Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will discuss about report module in Zoho book. So here we will go on the left menu bar and we will select report option. I am opening profit and loss statement. So here is the date range. So here we can select the period for which we want financial statement, like this week or this month or this or last year or previous month or previous year. So that's how we can get the details. So I'm opening custom from April, from 1st April to 31st March. Select 2025 till 31st March. So this is how we will get report. I'm getting this year. So that's how we can navigate and can get information about various periods. Here we can also compare it with last period. We can also customize the column by adding year to date column. Here we have options like balance sheet, cash flow statement. So this is the balance sheet, this is cash flow statement. So it's useful to understand the financial position of the company. We can also extract details about APAR aging report. So this is AP aging report. So current 1 to 15 days. So we know this is the days by which amount is outstanding. So it tells us the due date and upcoming payments that we have to make to the vendors. Then AR aging report. It's important for understanding AR agent report to understand provision for NPAs and bad debts. So it's important. I am ending the video, and I hope this whole module find you useful. And if you really like the video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much.
वीडियोस बनाने हैं, फिल्मोरा है ना।